Okay guys, I made my famous breaded nuggets with the salt and vinegar. Sorry, only a recipe, no video this time, and it's 2 servings. I used 1 pound of ground chicken, 3 servings of the salt and vinegar pork rind, 2 eggs. For my side, I used a cauliflower mashed medley, pink salt, pepper, olive oil, and ranch for dipping. Then you're going to scramble 2 eggs and mash down 3 servings of your favorite pork rind. I just absolutely loved the salt and vinegar. It was by far my favorite. This made 16 nuggets. You will get out a skillet or a fry pan and add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Dip each nugget into the egg wash and into that beautiful breading and into the hot oil with heavily pink salt and pepper. Then get your side ready. Like I said, I used a cauliflower medley. And then flip your nuggets, adding more pink salt, a little bit more pepper. Here's a beautiful picture of the nuggets all ready and all plated up. On the medley, I did a tablespoon of butter and pink salt and pepper and 1 serving of the ranch dressing. This was a total of 5 net carbs and by far my most favorite breaded of the pork rinds.